And we're back taking you to Tampa, where the Bucs and the Browns are in overtime. Bucs kicking off to Jabril Peppers, who had a huge return to set up a Cleveland touchdown that sent this game to overtime. But this time,
he about to go again.
much like the Ohio State-Purdue game last night.
Hey, I cannot even be mad at him right there, though, because that was about to be a great return. He just got, hey, it's always the one you can't see, right, TD?
Yeah, but you know what it is, Jay. You got
I
to
know,
hold it to the rock.
but he tried to make a play for his team.
So overtime continues, although Jameis Winston did just hit the turf on a sack, so we will keep you posted as under 3 minutes remain in that game. Let's send it to the Dallas-Washington game.